I'm at home right now. Kelsey's at work. Our dog smells like, I don't know what you would, like turtle pond, as Kelsey calls it. She's been jumping around the creek by us, playing in the water, playing with dogs who have been in the water. I thought, well, Kelsey's gone, I'm gonna give her a bath. No, you already smell like that. Yes, I know. Oh.
Is that really what my hair looks like from the back?
Wait, no, wait. I forgot the cup. Stay, can you stay? Please just stay. No, wait. Stay, can you stay? Can you stay? Stay, no. I got it, okay. No. Wait, please. Oh no, where's your dog shampoo? Oh no. No, wait, please. Wait, no. Just give me like 3 seconds, okay? 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. I got the dog shampoo. Yeah. Maybe smelling like oatmeal and honey. No. Am I recording like any of this? Stay. Get back in there. Stay. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Okay, good girl. Kelsey's gonna be so happy when she gets home. Ah! There you go. Oh, you dump your noodle? Did you just dump your noodle? Little known fact, Bella's full name is Bella, the Destroyer, Consumer of Worlds. That's why her inner voice sounds like this.
Don't touch me, unless you incur my wrath.
It's okay.
I will have my revenge.
And she's sweet.
F*** you.
I feel like this video is primarily for Kelsey so she can see what kind of torment I put myself through to make her happy. No, stop. No. You're supposed to be a water dog. No. You beast. Beast of burden. No, we're getting water everywhere. Stop. Release me. Can you get back down? Oh, this is gonna take so long to clean up. You have to mop because of you? We're almost there. Okay, freedom. There's so much water everywhere. Let me dry you. Yes, it's very nice. Let me dry you. Are you happy? You getting dry? Freedom! Go! You wanna go outside? Oh, not the couch. You did a good job. Good girl. Whoop. Seriously? Yeah. Yeah, I have to clean up after you. Because you couldn't sit. Oh, well, okay. Let me brush you.